For my digital artifact, I'll be looking at factory games such as Factorio, Satisfactory, and Dyson Sphere Program. I'll use these games and a basis of real-world current manufacturing technology to forecast forward into the future when potentially we could be setting up manufacturing on other planets. I'll be looking forward about 50 years or so into the future with these games in mind to forecast how this kind of production might be happening on other planets in the future. My audience will be those currently engaging with or playing factory games, and especially those playing with mods that add complexity to the game to emulate closer to current manufacturing processing standards, and those active in factory game subreddits. This project is relevant to me because these are two topics I find quite interesting and I'm looking to learn more about, and it's also relevant to my audience as they're also looking into the relation between factory games and real life. So this project will require me to look at some of the games, single out individual elements I find interesting and that are necessary for this manufacturing off-world. For example, these games all have assembler type buildings that can be configured to craft most things so long as they are provided with the correct inputs, and they will output the completed product. So this will involve looking at current on-world manufacturing and research into new ways to manufacture, such as Tesla's new casting machine that actually is outside because it's so big, not in their gigafactory, and casts the bottoms of some of their cars in 2 pieces instead of hundreds. Also looking at the rockets being designed for NASA to go to the moon and then to Mars, the potential for these rockets to carry the materials to actually put together manufacturing on another planet. And then also their ability to then bring back the resources to Earth